When you search for the best 4K mirror dash cam, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, WLFBOX G840S. First up is the WLFBOX GS, priced at $129.99. What caught my attention was its impressive 4K UHD clarity and that massive 12-inch display. If you want enhanced safety with a wider view, this is worth a serious look. It also features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens to reduce blind spots while driving or reversing. The built-in GPS tracking gives you real-time speed and location data, plus the large screen lets you monitor both views simultaneously. A huge plus. Now, some people complained about the lack of a hardwire kit for the parking monitor feature. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who mainly drives and doesn't leave your car parked for long, this probably won't matter much to you. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive view of your surroundings while driving. Skip this one if you need a camera that's immediately ready for parking surveillance without additional purchases. At this price point, you're getting great value for an advanced mirror dash cam. Now, if the G840S's lack of parking monitor out of the box bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WLFBOX G930. The WLFBOX G930 is another great option priced at $129.99, and I was really impressed by its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. If you want a user-friendly experience with powerful features, this deserves your attention. The enhanced Wi-Fi allows for quick video downloads and seamless sharing via the WLFBOX app, so you won't be waiting around to access your footage. Plus, the advanced WDR technology ensures balanced lighting, making it easier to see during low-light conditions. With over 2,200 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, many buyers agree this camera performs well in real-world situations. Here's the thing, if you're someone who prefers using physical buttons, that could be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy sharing your driving experiences quickly and easily. Skip this one if you want a camera with a more traditional interface. For the features you get, the price is certainly justified. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize advanced safety features. Product number 3, Pelsi P12 Pro. Here's the Pelsi P12 Pro priced at $99.99, and it really caught my eye with its ADAS and BSD technology. If you want advanced safety systems without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. Why this is a big deal: the ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance System actively monitors for potential collisions and alerts you, which is a game changer for preventing accidents. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera ensure you capture essential details like road signs and license plates. Plus, the voice control feature lets you operate the dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel, which adds a layer of convenience. Now, some users reported that the voice commands sometimes didn't register accurately. Here's the thing though, if you're not someone who relies heavily on voice commands, this might not be a significant drawback for you. This camera is perfect for you if you're looking for robust safety features at a budget-friendly price. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward camera with less tech. The value you get for what you pay is pretty impressive. Next up, if the voice control feature was appealing, but you're looking for something a bit more refined, keep watching. Product number 4, WLFBOX G850. Next is the WLFBOX G850 priced at $127.49. I love the large 12-inch screen and real 4K recording. If you want a sleek design combined with high-quality recordings, this is a great choice. And the loop recording ensures you don't miss any important footage. Some people mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky. But here's the thing, if you're comfortable with tech and can follow instructions, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you value a stylish camera with high-quality visuals. Skip this one if you're not keen on DIY installations. The value for the price is very reasonable. Now, if you're looking for an even more advanced model with top-notch features and safety technology, stick around. Product number 5, WLFBOX G850 Pro. Finally, we have the WLFBOX G850 Pro priced at $169.99. This one stands out because of its advanced ADAS features. If safety is your top priority, you'll want to pay attention to this. The ADAS technology offers real-time alerts for collisions, lane departures, and more, making it an excellent choice for cautious drivers. The enhanced voice control allows you to manage the camera seamlessly while on the road. Plus, it comes with a solid 4.4-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, showing that buyers appreciate its reliability. Some users did mention that it can be a bit pricier compared to other models. But here's the deal, if you want cutting-edge safety features, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you take your driving safety seriously and want the latest technology. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and looking for a simpler model. The quality and features justify the price. And there you have it, 5 fantastic options for 4K mirror dash cams, each catering to different needs and budgets. To quickly compare, we've got the WLFBOX G840S for its clarity and large display, the G930 for its seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, the Pelsi P12 Pro for its budget-friendly safety features, the G850 for its stylish design, and the G850 Pro for top-notch safety technology. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you before making a choice.